But let's try the second heaviest object, which would be an umbrella. We'll throw out the umbrella. Second object would be the dog toy. This is a Kong, Jackson's favorite toy. He's got 2 of these, by the way. Successful test of the Kong. We have a pumpkin. It's Halloween, almost the end of Halloween, so if it breaks, I'm not going to be too upset about it, although Lauren might, because she did buy it. It didn't break, and neither did the tent, so that's awesome. Next heaviest object is a roll of tape. We're going to see how this works. Oh yeah, she's holding up good, but here's the ultimate test. A skinny tire. We're going to throw this pretty high to see if it really does test it. It worked. Now it did release one of the straps here,